Fortaleza, located in northeastern Brazil, is a vibrant and charming city offering a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and modern attractions. Known for its stunning beaches, rich history, and warm hospitality, Fortaleza has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Fortaleza's landscape is characterized by a picturesque coastline with miles of sandy beaches washed by the crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Praia do Futuro is one of the city's most famous beaches, offering visitors the opportunity to relax on the golden sand or engage in a variety of water sports. Those looking for tranquility and natural beauty should definitely visit the Jericoacoacoara National Park near Fortaleza. This protected area boasts breathtaking dunes, lagoons, and unspoiled beaches that are perfect for hiking or simply admiring the stunning scenery. Fortaleza's tourism industry is diverse and caters to many travelers. The city offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget guesthouses. Overall, Fortaleza offers an unforgettable travel experience through its combination of nature, cultural values, and warm hospitality. Whether you are looking to relax on pristine beaches or immerse yourself in Brazilian culture and history, there is something for everyone in this charming city.